Here we go. Like a glove. All right. It's so much nicer working with clean new parts. The old get the hardest one first, remember? Alrighty then. Now the old caliper's in the way again. Let's get this up and out of the way. Okay. Now we shouldn't have to use the jack anymore. Move you back here. I'm gonna check these, make sure they're tight. Yep. That one got a little bit. Okay. I'll hook this caliper back up over here. These ones. Yep, that one's tight. 2 veins on the forehead. That one's tight. All right. Now I'll bring you around front here. And put the hub on now. Alright, just get some multi-purpose grease and put a little schmutz. Just get the so it slides on a little easier, and then I'll also put it up on the hub here a little bit. Have that nice and cleaned off and sand it. Okay, I'm gonna put a little squirt of oil down in here for to give the bearing a little pre-lube. You get it from this side too. Put a little in the hole in there. You can see there's a little trough in there. Boy, that went on pretty good. I'm surprised. And another thing I'll do is put some oil on this bearing. Throw some in here too. Now I did inspect these bearings and racers and everything looks good. And I got my lock. There we go. like to tighten it up. Of course, she has a lot of drag. Try to get the bearings seated in there. Back it off, spin it, and then bring her in until she's snug. That's good. Yep, I'm happy with that one. Alright, so now we'll put the axle in. Get this off here. And this axle just has an O-ring on it. So the O-ring looks pretty good yet. It's sticking up above. Just gonna put a little grease on there so it slides in nice. Just putting a little layer of grease right in here, right on the O-ring. Bam! Okay. Now tighten them up. I'll have to clean out around in here so the rotor fits nice. I'll put some fluid film in there. That's what I'm going to use. Now, somebody had these Loctited in. I don't see why they need to be Loctited. I'm not going to Loctite them. Okay, bring you back. All right, another thing I like to do is match up my brake rotors before I go and install them. Another thing I do is make sure the hat and all is real good, and it is. All right, I took the axle, slid the axle back out a little bit so I could adjust the shoes so they're just touching the rotor, and then I pushed on a lever and I have good travel. Now I'll put this axle back in. Good thing I didn't tighten it all up. I thought about it beforehand.